The Image tool allows you to insert images and graphics into the design area. This includes images from the CreativeStudio stock design collection and uploaded images of your own. Click on Image. This will take you to the Categories section, with the default category being My Images, which is where images that you upload will be displayed. Click on the down arrow to access the categories of CreativeStudio stock designs. Choose a category and then choose an image to bring into the design window. Once the image is imported, you can use your mouse to manipulate it. Click and drag to move. Click and drag a corner to resize. And then click on the handle to rotate. You can also use the object keys to move, resize, and rotate. If color boxes show up under the object list when the image is selected, you can modify the colors. There are three options for choosing a new color. Start by clicking on the color box that you wish to change. The first option is to select the color from the color palette. You do this by simply clicking on the color of your choice. The second is to create a custom color using the RGB color matrix. And the third is to enter an RGB code. We will use the color palette. Click on the color and you can see that the change has been made. To delete the entire image, use the clear key. This is permanent and cannot be undone. To upload your own image, click on Image, then click on Upload. Locate the image on your computer. The file should be a JPEG or a PNG. Click to select, click Open, give the file a name, then click Upload. Once it's uploaded, it will appear in the My Images folder. Click on the image to bring it into your design window.